This is a lesson from Getting Started with WordPress, a free online course by The Clickstarter. In this lesson, we will learn how we can enhance our website with widgets. Use this video as a guide and follow along on your own WordPress site. If you don't have a WordPress site yet, visit this link to find out how we will create one for you absolutely free. Widgets make it easy to customize the content of the sidebar and footer of our website. Like many of the other WordPress features, widgets will save us from having to learn coding to customize our website. We'll be using the 2011 theme to demonstrate this feature. If you are following along, go into your themes page and make sure that 2011 is activated. By default, these are the contents of the sidebar in 2011, archives and links to log in and out of the site. Widgets make it easy to change or rearrange the content of the sidebar. We can control our site's widgets from the WordPress admin, under Appearance, and then Widgets. On this page, we'll find a box with all available widgets for our website on the left. Under it is a box for inactive widgets, and on the right are boxes for each of the sidebars or widget areas on our website. These are locations where we can insert widgets on our website. If we want to add widgets to the main sidebar, we can simply drag them from the available widgets and drop them in here. Widgets that have options will automatically reveal themselves. Most widgets have default settings, so we can ignore them. Show or hide the options by clicking the arrow in the upper right. We can reorder the widgets by dragging and dropping them. We can even move them between widget areas. To delete a widget, just drag it out into the available widgets area. Alternatively, we can also click the arrow to reveal the widget options and then click delete. If you do set options for the widget, don't forget to click save like this. If we go to the home page now, we see that the previous sidebar content has been replaced by the widgets that we just added. One quick note. Widgets are sometimes referred to as sidebar widgets because they were commonly added to the sidebar. But nowadays, many themes, including 2011, allow you to add widgets to other locations, including the footer. Now I want to show you a very useful widget, the text widget. The main sidebar is a good place to put a short introduction about our website. It's easy to do this with the text widget. Just drag it in and type the intro text. The text widget can display any text or HTML, so we can use it to display code for ads, our newsletter sign-up form, or even Facebook social plugins. Here I'm just going to copy the code that Facebook provides. And then I paste it into the text widget. Refresh the home page and instant Facebook integration. If you ever need to add snippets of code to your website sidebar, try the text widget. Now let's have a look at the inactive widgets box. It sits underneath the available widgets and is like a holding pen for our widgets. When we drag widgets back into the available widgets area, the widget and all the settings are deleted. But if we only want to temporarily remove a widget, we can drag it into the inactive widgets area. This way, all of the widget settings are still maintained. Also, when we change themes, the widgets we set up previously will be moved to the inactive widgets box instead of being deleted. And that's how we use the widget system. Sometimes the existing widgets don't quite do everything that we want. There are a couple of ways to add more widgets to WordPress. First, some widgets are included with certain themes. For instance, themes from Woo Themes come with several Woo widgets. But if your theme doesn't have the widget that you want, chances are that you can find a similar one through plugins. A plugin is an add-on for WordPress that extends and expands the functionality of WordPress. for example by providing additional widgets. Here are a few widgets that plugins can provide. The image widget shows your logo in the sidebar. The MailChimp widget adds a sign-up form without any code. WP Polls lets you display polls in the sidebar. And the Flickr widget easily displays photos from the Flickr website. We're going to talk about plugins and how to use them in the next lesson. We'll see you soon. I hope you found this lesson useful. We provide additional content and a support forum to registered members of ClickToLaunch.net. Sign up for a free membership by visiting this link.